Welcome back to HN Auto, your trusted source for everything automotive. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a vehicle that is not just another launch but a major step towards the future of driving, the BYD Seal U DM-i 2025. BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, has rapidly evolved into one of the world's leading automakers, especially when it comes to electrification and hybrid technology. The Seal U DM-i is a perfect example of BYD's commitment to innovation, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. It is a vehicle designed for those who want the flexibility of a hybrid with the performance and style of a modern SUV. Let's start with the design. The Seal U DM-i presents a futuristic, elegant, and athletic look. It follows BYD's ocean aesthetics design language, drawing inspiration from the powerful yet smooth nature of the sea. From the front, it features a clean and bold face, with a closed-off grille, emphasizing its hybrid nature. Sharp LED headlights with intricate detailing give it a confident and intelligent expression. The flowing character lines on the sides create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Large wheels, muscular wheel arches, and a coupe-like roofline further enhance its dynamic profile. The rear end is equally impressive. A light bar stretches across the width of the vehicle, seamlessly connecting the taillights. The BYD logo sits proudly in the center, representing both tradition and innovation. Aerodynamic touches throughout the body ensure not only beauty but also efficiency. Moving to the heart of the Seal U DM-i, the powertrain. BYD's DM-i system stands for Dual Mode Intelligent, a technology that merges a highly efficient gasoline engine with a robust electric motor and battery system. The petrol engine is designed primarily to generate electricity rather than drive the wheels directly, which maximizes fuel efficiency. This setup allows the car to operate mainly in electric mode during city driving, drastically reducing fuel consumption and emissions. On longer journeys or when more power is needed, the petrol engine supports the electric motor, delivering a smooth and powerful driving experience. The Seal U DM-i offers different battery options and driving ranges depending on the variant, ensuring that there's a model to meet every customer's needs. Thanks to fast charging capabilities, recharging the battery is quick and convenient. In terms of numbers, the Seal U DM-i boasts an impressive pure electric range of around 100 to 150 kilometers, depending on the model and driving conditions. Combined with the hybrid system, the total driving range can exceed 1,000 kilometers, offering the freedom to travel long distances without worrying about charging or refueling. The transition between electric and hybrid modes is smooth and almost unnoticeable to the driver. The car intelligently switches based on driving conditions, battery levels, and performance needs. This intelligence is a hallmark of BYD's latest technology and a big part of what makes the Seal U DM-i stand out from traditional hybrids. Inside the Seal U DM-i, the experience is equally futuristic. The cabin is spacious, modern, and crafted with high-quality materials. The dashboard features a large, rotating touchscreen infotainment system, a signature BYD innovation. This screen allows access to a wide range of functions, from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. The system supports over-the-air updates, meaning new features and improvements can be delivered directly to the car without visiting a service center. Connectivity options include Bluetooth, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even voice-activated controls, making the user experience both simple and sophisticated. The digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information right in the driver's line of sight. From speed and range to navigation prompts and driver assistance alerts, everything is easy to read and intuitively organized. Comfort has been a key focus in the Seal U DM-i. The seats are ergonomically designed and available with heating, ventilation, and memory functions. The rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, ensuring that passengers enjoy long journeys just as much as the driver. Practicality has not been sacrificed for style. The Seal U DM-i features a large boot space that can accommodate all the luggage and gear a modern family might need. Split-folding rear seats provide flexibility when carrying larger items. When it comes to safety, BYD has equipped the Seal U DM-i with its latest suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. All these systems work together to enhance safety, reduce driver stress, and provide a more relaxing driving experience. In crash tests, BYD's recent models have performed exceptionally well, and the Seal U DM-i is expected to continue that trend. The car's strong body structure, multiple airbags, and smart active safety features offer solid protection for all occupants. Performance is another area where the Seal U DM-i shines. The electric motor provides instant torque, making acceleration brisk and smooth. Whether you're merging onto highways, overtaking slower vehicles, or navigating city traffic, the Seal U DM-i responds quickly and effortlessly. The hybrid system ensures that performance doesn't come at the cost of efficiency. Even when driving spiritedly, the Seal U DM-i manages fuel consumption intelligently, switching between power sources as needed to maintain optimal efficiency. The suspension system is tuned to balance comfort and control. The ride quality is smooth, absorbing bumps and rough surfaces with ease, while the steering feels precise and well-weighted, giving the driver confidence at all speeds. Noise insulation is excellent. Thanks to its electric-first approach and careful engineering, cabin noise is kept to a minimum, allowing passengers to enjoy conversations, music, or just the peaceful sound of the journey. When it comes to the environment, BYD's mission is clear. The Seal U DM-i significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional gasoline-powered SUVs. Its efficient hybrid system and strong focus on electric driving help drivers lower their carbon footprint without sacrificing convenience or performance. Moreover, BYD's commitment to sustainable manufacturing and responsible sourcing of materials makes owning a Seal U DM-i a choice that supports a cleaner, greener planet. From a value perspective, the BYD Seal U DM-i is expected to be competitively priced, especially when considering the level of technology, performance, and features offered. Lower running costs, reduced fuel consumption, government incentives for hybrid and electric vehicles, and strong resale values make it an intelligent financial decision as well. In a market increasingly filled with choices, the Seal U DM-i stands out for its innovation, versatility, and style. It is a vehicle designed for the modern driver, someone who values technology, efficiency, safety, and a touch of luxury, all wrapped in a beautiful, environmentally conscious package. The BYD Seal U DM-i 2025 is not just an SUV, it's a vision of the future of driving. It represents a transition, a bridge between traditional motoring and the all-electric world that lies ahead. For drivers who are ready to embrace that future, but still want the flexibility and reassurance of hybrid power, the Seal U DM-i is an ideal choice. At HN Auto, we believe that cars like the BYD Seal U DM-i are paving the way for a better automotive world. A world where technology and nature can exist side by side, offering drivers an experience that is not just about getting from one place to another, but about enjoying the journey, respecting the planet, and embracing the future. That's all for today's in-depth look at the BYD Seal U DM-i 2025. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you stay updated with all the latest news and reviews here at HN Auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.